Hi everyone, my name is Ernesto Zepeda with EAOP. We're going to talk about how to communicate with your child's teachers. So the first thing I want to talk to you is about the translators and interpreters that might be on your school site. Depending on the number of Spanish speakers in the district, the school might offer translators as a resource. When calling your student teachers or attending a meeting, you can ask if they have a translator or interpretation services available. If a translator is not available, you can use your phone to translate. One of the best apps to do this is Google Translate. But always ask if they have someone available. Also, another way to communicate with the student teacher is email. It might be difficult to call the teacher if they don't speak Spanish. So the best way is to send an email. You can translate emails using Google or other websites. And also the teachers can use Google to translate your message if you decide to send it in Spanish. Another resource is the Classroom's apps. Many school districts use cell phone apps and websites to help parents with their student behavior, grades, and progress. Many apps like Class Dojo, Remind, and other have translation features that let you view the content in Spanish. You can send a message in Spanish and the teacher can see it in English. So in this case, you don't need to translate. The system will do it by itself. Whatever app the teacher uses, assume that the message it is important. So don't let it go. Check teacher messages always in your phone and in your email. You don't have to respond, but it's good to know what is the teacher trying to tell you in the message. The websites. So when you go to the websites, let's say for example to the district office, they will have a feature that is called translation. On the top left corner, you will see a select language tab. In here, you will select, and depending on the school district, it will have different language to translate. All information in these websites will be translated either in English or Spanish or multiple languages. Handouts. If your child brings home a permission slips, newsletter, or other handout from school, check to see if it is available in Spanish. Most of the cases, schools will put it in English on the front and Spanish on the back. Many newsletters and other correspondence from teachers can be found on the school website. So for example, if the message is not in Spanish, you can go ahead and look it online on the website of the school. Communication is key. Even if you feel like the teacher won't understand you, most teachers want their students' parents engaged with the child's education, so they will make the effort to understand your messages. You should do the same. Many Spanish-speaking parents have bad experiences before all this technology because of the miscommunication. But now with all the applications, you can communicate better and make it the way that you think it feels more comfortable. Okay, so if you are a speaking person, go ahead and use the apps like Google Translate and speak with the teachers. Or if you think it's better to be graded an email, it will be the best way to do it. Thank you for everyone for listening, and special thanks to the Lemon Grove School District. Thank you so much.